Nobody knows, and I'm still looking. There are no signs about the race number for the running tomorrow. So I'm still gonna keep looking. I asked him. It's weird, but I had to do this. So he told me he collected the race pack from Pizza Hut. Hi, I need to collect my race number. No, no, they can't find me. It's crazy. They don't even send you the email for the change. I'm at the starting point. I missed the backdrop area. My bad. So I'm going to be having extra weight on my back. And we are struggling with the 10 kilometers. And those guys have finishing 21 kilometers. I will probably take another 10 years to run in that speed. So we are looking at 63, inshallah. Hello and salam everybody. It's 4 a.m. in the morning and I'm at Gatwick Airport to take my flight to one of my top favorite countries at the moment, Italy, for my 6th international 10-kilometer run. My flight departs at 6 a.m. and my security check is done, and now I'm waiting for the gate numbers to be announced. With hardly 2 hours of sleep last night, I'm excited to board the flight for a new country, new place, new challenges, and all in all, new experiences. It's approximately 2.5 hours flight to Pisa, and I hope to get some sleep before landing. Let's go towards the gate. Gate number 55C, let's go. Welcome to Italy. Nice, warm and sunny day, a lovely 20 degrees. Tomorrow is going to be equally sunny, 24 degrees, and inshallah we are going to enjoy the run tomorrow. Alhamdulillah, I had a good sleep throughout the flight and I'm feeling so much better now. I'm out of the airport and I just checked the location for the hotel, the starting point, and the place where we need to collect the race number or the race pack from. I'm so happy that all these 3 places are in close proximity to each other. From the airport to the hotel is approximately 30 minutes walk. From the hotel to the starting point is about 6 minutes walk, and then the collection pack area is also very, very close to the hotel. So instead of making a day pass for travel or any kind of transport, I'm going to walk from the airport to the hotel, which is only 30 minutes, and I'm really feeling happy about it. I will get to see the area while enjoying my walk on this beautiful sunny day. So let's go take this walk to the hotel. Alhamdulillah, I've reached the hotel. It was a good 45 minutes walk. It said it was 30 minutes walk from the airport to the hotel, but I took around 45 minutes because obviously I was looking around, taking my time, enjoying the place. Most of the area was so lively. It was a 45 minutes walk, but not tiring at all. I enjoyed every bit of it. I'm at the hotel now. The check-in starts at 2 p.m. It's too early right now. It's 11:30. I still have a lot of time before I can get my room. So in the meantime, I'm going to have something and go and collect the race pack, which is just around 7 minutes walk from this place. I'm so hungry. I got this sandwich from Gatwick Airport, tuna, sweet corn. I'll finish this, drop my bag at the reception, and go and collect my race pack. Finish my sandwich, had some water, let's go drop the bag and to collect the race pack. I'm out of the hotel now. I've dropped my bag and I'm going to the place to collect the race pack. There is no race pack collection on the race day. The place I need to go to collect is called the Expo Village, and it's the same place that I passed while coming to the hotel from the airport. So it's just about 5-6 minutes walk from here. I'll go collect my race number, the running chip, and see if I can see a bit more around and then come back to the hotel. And maybe I can try this restaurant Indiano called Restaurant Gandhi. So I asked the girl sitting over there about this address, and this is the place. Now I just need to find out the right stall. They said, Tachu, you're in the right place. So I need to find out where they are giving out the race pack. I've asked the shopkeepers here, nobody knows, and I'm still looking. There are no signs about the race numbers for the running tomorrow, so I'm still gonna keep looking. I'm still going round and round, but I can't find anything, any shop, any stall, any cafe giving out the race pack. There are no signs, and I can't find anybody with the race number in their hand, or anybody who looks like they've come to collect their race pack for tomorrow's run. So I think I'm going to go back to the hotel, call them up, and come back again. It's not very far, so let's do that instead of wasting time going round and round. It's 12 noon. They are giving out the race pack up until 6 o'clock in the evening. So I still have a lot of time to call them up and go back there. Sorry, can I make a call? Yeah, I'll give you the number. I went to the hotel. The hotel staff was very helpful. He tried his best to find the phone number, ring up the organization, but no luck. I have come back again here at the Expo Village. There is no such stall, no shops with the signs that they are giving out the race numbers for tomorrow's run. So my last resort was to find somebody walking around with the race number, or somebody who looks like they're going to participate in the run tomorrow. And I find one man. He had this map in his hand. He was wearing running shoes, his attire, and I just asked him if he is running tomorrow. That's the first question I asked him. It's weird, but I had to do this. So he told me he collected the race pack from Pisa Tower. You know, the Leaning Tower of Pisa? And I'm going there to collect my race number. I still got 2 hours in hand before they stop giving it out. So let's go there. I don't know why I thought it was already 4 p.m. It's just 1 p.m. at the moment. I think it's because I just panicked. It's because I could not find the place after spending so much time in that location mentioned on the email. But hopefully, inshallah, according to that man, I'm going to collect my race number from the Tower of Pisa. It has been a 25 minutes walk, and I think I'm almost there. I just hope I'm in the right place for the race pack. I'm not sure this is the right place. I need to go and ask. Hi, I need to collect my race number. Thank you. Can I give you my name?
Number, no.
Yeah.
It's in
Number? Okay, allora
Martin.
M.
Yeah. No.
Shabata.
Knack.
No.
Martin.
They can't find me.
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. They are looking for me on the list.
100. Yes. Many? No, Shabana.
Thank you so much.
Bag.
The bag. Thank you. At last, Alhamdulillah, got my number. I'm going to collect my bag. Hi. Can I collect the bag?
10 or
10. 10.
10? Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. And where is the starting point?
The start on the
Oh,
tomorrow.
thank you.
Allora, on the time is in the is near in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
For you.
Alhamdulillah, I collected my race pack. I need to get out of this place, get into the hotel. I've had enough of walking for today. But thank God I met that man in the expo village and I trusted my instinct, asked him, and I got here even though it was 2 kilometer walk, half an hour walk. I'm here with my race pack and here they couldn't find me on their list. It's 2 p.m. now. My phone is dying. I need to walk fast so I can get into the hotel, get the most of it, rest, eat, sleep, get ready for tomorrow's run. I need to come back here at the same place. The race starts here. See you then. Halfway to the hotel, 15 more minutes walk, and I'm going to rest for today. Yes.
Understand why?
I don't know why they
That's
gave
the
that
same.
address.
Yeah, exactly. Because on the website it was the same.
It's the
So-
same address, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. That's why
It's so
it sounds
misleading.
strange.
Yeah. Thank God I found that person.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
And my bag, please. Can't wait to get into the room. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. It's 6:30 in the morning. Alhamdulillah, I had a very good night's sleep. I was so tired yesterday. You all know what happened, how hectic it was. The breakfast is starting quite late in this hotel at 7 o'clock. The running starts at 8:30 and I had planned to leave the hotel by 7, but because the breakfast is starting at 7, the hotel assured me that they will give me breakfast before 7. That's very nice of them because I told them that I have to leave for my run by 7. So I'm going to go down and have my breakfast. Make sure to leave the hotel by 7 because it's half an hour walk from here. So I should be there by 7:30 and get time for a good warm up before I join everybody else for the run at 8:30, inshallah. And the hotel has also agreed to increase my checkout time. The checkout time is 11 o'clock and they have agreed to increase the checkout time up to 1 p.m. I should be back in the hotel by 11:30, so that should give me a good time to shower, rest before I can leave for the airport. Forgot to put this on. This is really important. It will track your running timing. It will have all your details, your emergency numbers in case it is required. And this is your number if you need to drop your bag. The lighter I run, the better and faster and easier it is for me. Let's go down for the breakfast. I really wanted to enjoy the breakfast, but I don't have time. I need to rush so I don't get late for the run. Are you guys going for the run?
Yes,
Yeah, me too. How long is the walk from here?
it's 20 minutes. From
20
here.
minutes walk.
Yeah.
And a lot of people coming from here. So it's always good to confirm a lot of questions you have in your mind. Is the place close to Pisa Tower?
Close. It's not so close. They change the route of the run because there is the election day today in Tuscany. This is why.
That's why they changed the pickup place.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Yesterday I was going. Luckily, I found somebody over there. I asked him and I found out it's going to be in Leaning Tower of Pisa. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got my number.
Yeah.
It's crazy. They don't even send you the email for the change.
Be there and check it. I checked it 1 month ago. It's okay. I know the places. That's it.
That was
Correct,
crazy.
change it, yeah. You cannot close the streets. This is the why.
So that means the starting point given is also changed.
The starting point. Yes.
It's changed. Can I follow you guys from here? Yeah. What time are you leaving? What
8
time?
o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay.
25 minutes.
Yeah. So apparently they have also changed the starting point. That means the starting point address that I have with me is not correct. Thankfully, I met these guys and I have asked them questions. So after the breakfast, I'm going to follow them, go with them together from the hotel. Alhamdulillah, I've gulped down my breakfast. I'm going to do a last check in the room and come down and walk with these guys. It's 7:30 now. The running is starting is 8:30. I couldn't wait for the other group because they were leaving at 8. For me, it's too panicking. So I'm following another person who I met at the breakfast and he was leaving earlier. So I thought this is a better choice than leaving at 8 o'clock. That's the starting point. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I'm here next to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the starting point is supposedly right behind me where everybody is going. We have just been walking for 1 kilometer and we are still not at the starting point. I'm at the starting point. I missed the backdrop area. My bad. It was way behind, around 1 kilometer from here. So I'm not going back. I'm going to carry my extra stuff. So I'm going to be having extra weight on my back and could be slower than earlier. But doesn't matter. I'm here. I'm happy. I'm participating. And inshallah, I'm going to finish strong. Somebody said it's just 5 minutes from here. You can still go back and drop the bag. But honestly, I can't trust that 5 minutes because these 5 minutes are never ending. So it's fine.
Dei pazienti affetti da patologie psichiatriche. Non
We're going to start now in about 5 minutes. We've just started I can see it's not only me, there are so many others who have missed the backdrop. So I'm not the only one with the extra weight. Let's just enjoy this run. 2 kilometers done. Four kilometers. Beautiful, sunny, 25 degrees. Pisa, Italy. Love it. Ten kilometer go this way, 21 kilometer the other way. I won't be able to record much because the extra weight is pulling me down. It's difficult running and talking at the same time with this weight on my back. Let's just run. Bismillah. And you just enjoy the beautiful course, the beautiful view, the greenery. A couple of ladies asked me where I got my sports hijab from. If you're also wondering where you can get this sports hijab, it's available on my website. It's called Capsters. The link is in the description. You can check it out. It's available in different colors. There's an extra long one which I'm wearing. It covers most of your area in the front and it's very comfortable. One size fits all, breathable, light and safe. No pins required, nothing to tie, stays in place. That's the most important part of the sports hijab. Check it out. Check the link in the description. I'm sure we've done more than 5 kilometers. I think I've missed the sign. I was right. We've done 6 kilometers. Okay, so this is for those who are completing 21 kilometers in another speed. They are different, man. They are different. And we are just over half of the 10 kilometers. Just imagine. We are struggling with the 10 kilometers and those guys have finishing 21 kilometers. Great. 7 kilometers. I will probably take another 10 years to run in that speed. So we are looking at 63. But I'm going to try regardless. Inshallah. This is not overconfidence. This is believing in yourself, believing that you will do the best you can and you will get the best of the results, which is much, much better than others who believe that they are too old for this, too old for anything. 9 kilometers done. Alhamdulillah. One more to go. That's the 21 kilometer. Look at the speed. We're almost there. Near about 500 meters to go.
Pacemaker. Regaliamo un sorriso.
Is it for 10? Thank you. Finished 10 kilometer Pisa, Italy. Alhamdulillah. Finished the Pisa 10 kilometer run, not with a better pace, but with the best of my efforts, best of my ability. I did the best I could. I knew I was carrying some extra weight in my bag, but I didn't want to focus on that. I wanted to focus on completing the 10 kilometer with whatever I could and enjoying the race, enjoying the track, the journey, feeling good with all the other participants. That's the most important part. Nobody's life is easy. Everybody is going through something. Everybody is fighting their own battles. That's the reality. Learn to enjoy life with whatever you can. Find happiness in little things, little situations. Find happiness with people in your life, your family, your friends. Bottom line is just do your best. Leave the rest to Allah. In the meantime, while I'm here, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful sunny day here in Pisa. This is missing in London at the moment. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy for today's run. I'm very satisfied with what I could do. Now I'm going to take a last glimpse of the Leaning Tower of Pisa and go back to the hotel, rest and move towards the airport for my flight back to London. Alhamdulillah for this. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for instant notification for all my future videos. See you in my next 10 kilometer run in another country. Till then, take care.